Sometimes you can saw that person loves you but doesn't want to tell you that he loves you or she loves you. But you can saw by action, because action talks louder than the voice. Because a word say I love you, it's a word, but action is louder than the voice. Because you can saw that person loves you with action. You can saw action. Even some other people, they can hide their feelings. They don't want you to show that they love you. Some other people, they can hide their feelings, but action sometimes, action is louder than voice. Even a person tells you that I love you, but his action is not like, guys, action are going opposite. Sometimes maybe that person tells you that I love you, but his action sometimes is very disgusting. That person doesn't love you. Other people, they don't want to tell you that they love you so much, but you can saw, even your husband or your girlfriend, you can saw her action every time. Some other people, they can hide. They don't want you to know that that person is in love with you. Sometimes some of other people, they don't want to tell you, or a man, even a man doesn't tell you that he loves you, but you can saw his action. That person, you can saw him that he loves you. Other people, they are very cool. They don't want to rush things very fast, but you can saw action speak louder than the voice. You can saw his action or action, that person loves me. Because a word love without action, sometimes it's nothing. But a person when takes action, you can saw action every time. You can saw that person, even he can hide his feelings, or he doesn't want to tell you that he loves you, but you can saw that action maybe doesn't want to be in a rush. A man, when he wants a woman, maybe, you know that when a man wants a woman, other men, they are not in a hurry to tell you that he loves you. You can saw his action, or he is doing nice things to you every time. You can saw that person loves me. Even he doesn't tell you, but you can saw, even your husband doesn't tell you, or your wife doesn't tell you, but you can saw she's a caring woman, everything. Because action speak louder than the voice. Even that person doesn't talk with his mouth, but his action can talk. You understand? Even that a person doesn't love you, you can saw, because he can say I love you, but his action is going opposite. You can saw that person doesn't love you, because the action speak louder than the voice sometimes.